Okay, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Ancha Jalwa, third year junior resident. My co-authors are Dr. Alkacha ma'am and Dr. Vireshwar Prasad sir from the upgraded Department of Ophthalmology, DMCH, Lahariya, Bihar. My topic is impact of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana on incidence of pterygium in females of North Bihar. Introduction. Pterygium is a well-known external ocular condition and it is fairly common in tropical countries like India because of more cumulative yearly exposure of ultraviolet light, heat, and dust. Secondhand smoke produced by burning of wood and dry dung fuel is also regarded as a causative factor for pterygium development. In North Bihar, most of the rural population uses traditional wood burning stoves for cooking. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, which was launched on 1st May 2016 to distribute the free LPG connections to women of below poverty line families. The aim of my study is to evaluate the impact of decrease in exposure time of secondhand smoke from wood and dry dung fuel on a number of female patients of pterygium of rural areas of North Bihar after commencement of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. Materials and methods. This is a non-randomized epidemiological and clinical study which is conducted at Upgraded Department of Ophthalmology, DMCH, Lahariya Sarai, Bihar, which caters the populations of rural areas of North Bihar. In the year 2019, all the patients of pterygium who visited OPD were examined for vision and ocular health assessment. A detailed history regarding exposure time per day of second-hand smoke were inquired. The number of male and female patients were compared with retrospective hospital data of a year before Ujjwala Yojana 2015. Results and discussion. Total number of male and female patients of the pterygium in the year 2019 were 198 male and 150 female patients, whereas in the year 2015, there were 210 male and 182 female patients. On comparing the data of these 2 years, a significant decrease in number of female patients in the year 2019, which was 17.58%, as compared to the female of year 2015. P-value is less than 0.001. Group data of these 2 years reveals that incidence of pterygium in females decreases due to less exposure time on cooking with gas. This is a chart showing number of the female patients, which was high in the year 2015. And in the year 2019, the number of female patients are decreasing. This is a bar graph which shows the number of the female patients, which was high in the year 2015 and decreasing in 2019. This is a chart showing number of female patients, which was maximum, they are falling in the age group of 30 to 60 years, and they are high in the year 2015. So between 30 to 60 years, the number of female patients, they are high in year 2015. Whereas in 2019, the number will be decreasing. So in the year 30 to 60 years age group, the number is decreasing. So conclusions, after 5 years of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, a significant decline, it is noted in a number of female patients in the year 2019, approximately 17.58% of the pterygium as compared to female in 2015 due to less exposure time of second-hand smoke on cooking with gas. Future studies may provide further insight into this correlation. These are my references. Thank you.